Welcome, this is Go Magic. We're learning physics together. It's magical. We're answering question 37, a challenging question. So I hope you're ready for this. So we got initial diagram. You have object A moving with 500 meters per second. You have B, which is at rest. So UB equals 0 meters per second. After, you have something that looks like this. They'll give you an XY axis. This is the X axis, this is the Y axis. Over here, you have VA at 60 degrees. Over here, you have VB, 30 degrees. Okay, let's begin. Two particles A and B collide elastically. So this is an elastic collision. The initial velocity of A is 5 meters per second, the acceleration B is at rest. Rotation diagram, the velocity of A after collision is V at 60 degrees with acceleration. The rotation diagram, the velocity of B after collision is VB at 30 degrees with acceleration already shown. The mass M of each particle. So MA is equal to MB is equal to, in this case, 1.67 and 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. Okay? Calculate the magnitudes of velocities V and VB after collision. So we need to find these two collisions. Okay? So, instead of a one-dimension popcorn, we're going to use the two-dimensional popcorn. Let's choose the most easiest of them all, which is, let's choose to the right as positive. So, using popcorn, your sigma p before will be equal to sigma p after. P before here will be MA UA plus MB UB equal to MA VA plus MB VB. MB UB here, as notice, is 0, so that will eliminate things very nicely for us. Here is 500, so you got MA 500. MA, careful, we're using horizontal components. We need VA. So what is VA here? It is VA 60 degrees. So VA turns 60 degrees, so this is cos. I hope you remember this from the previous videos on how to resolve vectors. Plus MB. Here we got VB. We got 30 degrees. We want a horizontal component, so it's turning this direction. Turning this direction means we're entering 30 degrees, means this is cos. So, direction all same. Our direction positive is this direction, so this positive, positive, positive. Our first equation is complete. Also remember, our mass is here already. So this is equation 1. Now, let's choose outwards to be positive. Using popcorn, sigma p before equal to sigma p after. Sometimes we have VA and VB here. Some of you might argue, isn't this confusing? So, we want horizontal, so let's put a symbol here. UH, UH, VH, VH. Okay? Let's make things a bit more easier so that you won't be confused as being your horizontal component. Here, this is we're dealing with vertical component. So let's begin. MA UA vertical plus MB UB vertical equal to MA VA vertical plus MB VB vertical. Look at initial, before. It's only moving horizontally and it's 0. There are no vertical components. So this is actually 0, this is actually 0. So you're left with 0 equal to MA. VA horizontal. So, sorry, VA vertical. So VA 60 degrees. You want vertical, it turns here. But angle is here. You turn here. Angle is here. Therefore, this one is sine. And positive direction. Why? Our positive is outwards. Okay. Now MBVB. So we got VB and degrees. Vertical BB will be here. Angle is here. We are turning here. That means the degrees here is sine. But careful, VB is negative. Why negative again? Our positive direction chosen to be outwards here, but this is going downwards. Okay. So for this one, you will have MA VA sine 60 degrees. Bring this to the left hand side, and you got positive MB VB sine 30 degrees. So that is our equation 2. From this one, it's quite obvious. It's much more easier to extract a particular variable. For example, you want to find VA first. So, in this case, UB VA is equal to MB VB sine 30 degrees. Okay? Give me a second while I change the ink cartridge and we're running out of ink. I just let you guys look at that for a while. While I change the cartridge. Okay. Ready to begin again. Apologies for that. So MB VB sine 30 degrees VA. So you got MA and you got sine 60 degrees. MA equal to MB equal to a constant value. So you can say it's actually M. So what you get is sine 30 degrees over sine 60 degrees. VB equal to VA. Now replace VA here with this value, and hopefully you'll be able to find your VB. So the maths, I'll let you do the maths because I don't have a calculator with me now. So I hope you'll be able to do the maths nicely. In this case, you can even cancel all the masses because they are the same value anyway. And you just find your VA and VB. Okay. And you can pause this video. I will just give you the values. After you pause this video, your VA should be around 250 meters per second. And your VB around 430 meters per second roughly. So your aim is to get this. This is actually quite a challenging question for students. I hope you actually find this quite straightforward. All you need to do is do your horizontal or your vertical first. In this case, we do the horizontal first. Use popcorn. Make sure all the values are in the horizontal components. And then do the vertical one. Make sure all the components are in the vertical direction important. Make sure the signs are correct. And after that, it's all math. Okay. I hope you understand. understand this video. If not, please take this video and provide me with some feedback.